Hey there, this is Dee from dmiddleton.com and welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at how to write your first blog post in your WordPress site. So as you can see from my screen, we are inside of WordPress and we just went to the plugins feature. And in the plugins feature, you are looking to add a free plugin called Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO. And what this is going to do is it's going to create a little tool that you see up here in the right-hand corner when you see that little Y with the two red dots. So what you're trying to do is use this tool to make sure that you properly SEO your blog post. Now remember, that's search engine optimization. This is both for Google and for Pinterest. So this is important. So as you can see, I clicked on start your first blog post and then I wrote up there just my first blog post. Now, those are going to be my main keywords. So whatever your title is, you're putting it over there in your focus key phrase. So that is telling Yoast what your focus key phrase is so that it will make sure that you are distributing that key phrase plus your matching keywords throughout your blog post. So that first line you see there, that's your heading, that's your opening paragraph. You might want to do this in bold. And then everything thereafter is going to be the body of your message. So you have your heading, your opening paragraph, which should have your keywords in it, by the way. And then you're going to write the body of your post. So all of your content goes here. Now, I opened up this little dot here to show you that you can add an image here. And so when we begin to make pins for Pinterest, that's where we're going to put our images. If you are taking photos for your blog post, that's where you're going to put them. Now here I'm showing you how to add a link to your blog post. So what I'm doing is I'm going over here to Pin Clicks, which is the tool from Tony Hill that I've spoken about in several videos, the tool that I use to get my keywords for Pinterest. So what I'm doing here is I'm just using this as an example. I'm copying that URL, right? And down here, I'm linking it into my blog post. So what you want to do here is any link, any content from the web that you want to link to, including your own content, that's how you do it. You just copy and paste it and hit that little link button. Now, if you'll notice over here, I'm opening up what says Google Preview. So in this Google Preview, you are going to use your keywords. You're going to use your title in here so that the keyword should be in your title. And you're basically writing what's called a meta description. This is a basic description of what this blog post is about. So if I were to write a blog post about cleaning the kitchen, in this description, I could copy and paste some of the words from my first opening paragraph, as long as my keywords are in there. Or I can begin to write in here just a basic description, but you want this to contain your keywords and even related keywords. And this is just a short description. It probably won't even let you complete 2 lines here. So sorry, my computer is lagging. You can see in the screen recording there. But your keywords are going to go here. Any related keywords are going to go here. So this is telling Google what your blog post is about. It is also telling Pinterest what your blog post is about. So if I were to write, a post about cleaning the kitchen, my title should have some words in it about, how to clean the kitchen. My content should have words in it related to that same topic. Now, if you'll see, I'm back over here on the right-hand side and I clicked post at the top there and it's opened up my categories. So at this time, we're going to make sure that we add this blog post into a category. So if I were writing about cleaning the kitchen, I would go down here and I would probably add it to the category cleaning tips, right? So, and then you're going to go back up here to the top and I'm clicking on the Yoast there and you can see it's not green. The goal is to get it green on the SEO and green on the top. So you should see 2 green dots by following these instructions that Yoast is recommending for you. So it's not complicated, but you do want to follow these instructions. Now, it's obviously not going to turn green now because we're just doing a, a example here. So when you have completed everything, you're going to go up there and hit publish. And when you do that, it's going to give you your unique URL that leads to that blog post. Now, if you're not ready to publish, you can go up there, just click save draft, and you can come back and work on it. So I hope this helps. Come back next time and join me as we learn how to make pins using Canva. Thank you for watching.